Regeneron Pharmaceuticals Inc. on Thursday said it has begun human testing of its experimental antibody cocktail as a treatment for COVID-19. According to Chief Scientific Officer George Yankopoulos, the trial has an adaptive design and could quickly move from dozens of patients to eventually include thousands.
This is not some distant hope in the future. We announced that we already treated our first patient with this cocktail, and that moreover, we're moving very rapidly into a collection of studies that can hopefully show in the not too distant future whether this approach really is making a difference in essentially all facets of coronavirus disease.
Yankopoulos added if the trial goes well, broad utilization could begin by the end of summer. The dual antibody called Regeneron is being compared with a placebo treatment in hospitalized COVID-19 patients and in COVID-19 patients who have symptoms but are not sick enough to be hospitalized. Regeneron also plans to study Regeneron for preventing the infection in people at high risk of exposure, such as healthcare workers, and in uninfected people with close exposure to someone who has tested positive for the virus.
What these antibody cocktails do is what the body normally does, is they literally cover the virus, block it from being able to stick to human cells, but make it attract what are known as macrophages, these white cells that'll just gobble up and kill the virus.
Regeneron said its treatment could be useful even if a COVID-19 vaccine is developed, since the elderly and people with compromised immune systems often do not respond well to vaccines. Yankopoulos said even though Regeneron does not yet have proof that Regeneron is effective, the company has worked with the FDA to move other manufacturing to its plant in Ireland, clearing the way for production of the antibody compound at its New York manufacturing facility. Regeneron announced Thursday that Science has accepted for publication 2 papers describing the creation of its novel 2 antibody cocktail, Regeneron. The publications will be available online on Monday. Aaron Romero, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.